Hi, today I'm for the cat S75 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So we should first open the control panel, and here if you want to add some options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons, we should tap to this edit icon. This is this up section, and here we got this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, we should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section by this way. If you want to remove some of these options from the panel by the same way, we should just hold it and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to save the changes, click to go back, or just to reset all of the changes, tap on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.